What's up, everybody? Welcome to another MTG 420 pack opening. Today we're going to be opening a pack of SeC Watermelon Flavor Rosebud, 800 milligrams of THC. Now, unlike most booster packs we open, we can take a look inside this booster pack before we open it. I'm going to flip it around and look at those rose petals. A little gummy. For more info on production and safe consumption, visit www.productsbysec.com or SeC, I'm not sure. Store in cool, dry place. All natural, got your all natural local dispensary is where I got it from. There you go. Shout out to High Score. Miss you already. We'll be back together soon. MTG 420. We're also gonna open up a pack of Kaladesh here, just for fun. Pack fresh Kaladesh. Okay. Cathartic Reunion. Fragmentize. Failed Inspection. Ornamental Courage. Fortuitous Find. Ardara Express. There we go. That's our card. Eager Construct. Malfunction. Glassblower Puzzle Knot. Commencement of Festivities. Unlicensed Disintegration. Filigree Familiar. Restoration Gearsmith. Sahili's Artistry. And the Mountain. Energy Token. Heck yeah. Alright, with those two cards, let's do this. Let's open this up. Let's make sure we're not cutting anything we want to cut. Ooh, it's a great moment. Okay. Got a little resealable thing going on there. You're gonna cut it again. Okay. I just wash the hand, I promise. Let's stick that on the... There we go. Look at that gummy. So I wonder how much each of those rose petals is, eh? I should do the math, calculate it all out. Look at that. Before I cut it up, I'm going to be taking some pictures of that for sure. And there we go. Ardara Express never looks so good. All right, everybody, this is what we're going to be enjoying on 420. I'm going to be cutting that up and enjoying it. And if you like what you see, I think you can look at the website. And if you live in Vancouver, definitely go check out the High Score at the Amsterdam Cafe. You know, cannabis culture, that whole building is a great source for a bunch of information, a bunch of different cool things to enjoy your cannabis culture here in Vancouver. And if you got access to this where you live, amazing. So lucky. This is an amazing thing to have in our land, and I'm really grateful to have access to these flowers. So let's enjoy our day, let's enjoy our weekend, let's enjoy our festivities on 420. Keep it clean, keep it safe, everybody. MTG 420 out.